Okay, I'm back again at Costco. Just wanted to bring you the Gold Zero again. This time at a reduced price. What do you think of that? We're at $1,400. I didn't think it was going to be marked down, but it was. And they have them in stock. Just pretty cool. Again, this is the Gold Zero lithium battery solar generator, and it has the solar panel with it for right at $1,400. That is a nice little system, and the price has dropped. For us down here in the deep south, hurricane season is basically upon us, and it'll definitely come in handy. Y'all take care, and I'll see you next time.